strawberry. But right now we're going to take him on a little journey, sir. A little journey of pure comedy here. You see, there's comedy in the air, and you're definitely upwind. So here's what we do, okay? We didn't set anything up, right? You have no idea what's going to happen. I don't have any idea, to tell you the truth. All you have to do is use your imagination, get close to the microphone here, and I see that she has her camera out. Is that your daughter?
My wife.
Your wife, all right. You're going to use your imagination, picture that you're sitting in the passenger seat of a car right now. So just relax, you're waiting for me to drive us. All you have to do are some simple sound effects. If you have fun, they have fun. We all have a good time. So here we go. I'm loading up the trunk of the car, sir. As I come walking up to the front, you can hear my footsteps on the ground. They go. Okay, let me explain what a sound effect is. I have puppets if we need them, but just make a noise like I'm walking, all right? So here we go. All right, so I walk up to the front of the car. You can hear me. It goes.
Click, 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 click.
Apparently I'm wearing heels. And walking in a really weird way. Okay. I get up here. I open up the driver's door. I get in, ignoring the pig that squealed. I slam the door. Oh. It falls off, I put it back on the car. I get out my car keys, they give a little jingle.
Jingle.
It was so much fun, I do it again. I place the key in the ignition, trying to start the engine. Apparently you're used to driving a Ford. The engine finally starts when the tow truck driver leaves. I press the gas and we take off. Apparently I'm shifting in this car. It's warm in here. Isn't it warm in here? You go ahead and roll down the window over there. As you roll down the window, what are you doing with this dude? None of these girls had any idea what you were doing. They're like, is he fencing in the window? Just calm it down there really long. We see our destination up there, right? We see, you do? Maybe tomorrow we cut the pills in half. What do you think? We're almost there. We're having a great time. So I flip on the radio. Our favorite Beatles song comes on.
We all live in a yellow.
I quickly shut it off. I don't want to talk about being under the water when I'm working on a boat. I flip on the turn signal. It stays on. I pull in and hit the brakes. A dog howls. So I honk the horn. The airbag explodes in my face. It's okay. Let's go with Jiffy Bob. We're cool. All right. We jump out of the car. We run inside. That's how you run? Explains the heels. We're now backstage, waiting to perform. The MC is about to announce us. We're a little behind, so we get back there as soon as they're announcing us. You hear the audience cheering out there. What do they sound like, sir? They go... We are performing for an asthmatic support group who had a lot of garlic with their Thanksgiving dinner. They actually cheer like this, boys and girls.